Deadline for applications to replace former Maricopa County Sheriff Paul Pinzone was just 1 hour ago. At least 7 men have applied to serve as interim sheriff until November's election. 12 News political journalist Bram Resnick in studio here to explain why some of those applicants had to make some last-minute changes to their resumes. Bram.
And that's right, Jonathan. Under state law, applicants have to be members of the same political party as the sheriff they're replacing. In this case, Paul Pinzone was a Democrat. Here's the switcheroo. At least 3 applicants who were Republicans just 3 months ago registered as Democrats after Pinzone announced he was quitting. It's legal, but if you think it sounds dodgy, you're not alone. Russ Skinner was the top deputy to former Maricopa County Sheriff Paul Pinzone.
The sheriff was always there for us.
After Pinzone left office last week, the county board put Skinner in charge until it picks a replacement. The 34-year MCSO veteran wants that job too. On October 2nd, Skinner's Democratic boss, Paul Pinzone, announced he was quitting. A day later, on October 3rd, Skinner changed his party registration from Republican to Democratic. That according to the Maricopa County Recorder's Office.
It would be pretty terrible to appoint someone who has tried to game the system.
Attorney Jim Barton handles election law cases for Democratic candidates.
And I would hope that the folks in charge of the replacement would keep that in mind and wouldn't let that happen.
To be clear, none of this is illegal. 2 other sheriff applicants have been Democrats for less than 2 months. Also not illegal, a party switcher could re-register as a Republican after being appointed sheriff, then run for the office.
Gosh, do we need a law to prevent every single type of shenanigans? I don't know.
The Maricopa County Board's next step is interviewing the candidates, doing background checks, and likely consulting with former Sheriff Paul Pinzone. There's no timeline for naming the interim sheriff.